Hey guys, it's me. And today we are back with another YouTube video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a omelet. It's kind of just eggs, cheese, and spinach. But it does have high reviews from the people I've given it to. And the people I've given it to is my mother, my sister, and my brother. So yeah, let's get into it. Okay guys, so first you need to gather your ingredients. Pepper, salt, spinach, cheese, and eggs. There's been an accident with the pepper. You probably can't see it well, but all of this is pepper. Yeah, that's pretty good. I'll be right back, okay? So I've cleaned up the mess, and now we will get to making the omelet. Okay, so first, you're gonna wanna get your spinach. And the reason I say get your spinach first instead of getting your eggs is because you want your eggs to be fresh out of the shell and before you make it. So get your spinach, get your knife, and your chopping board. And you get a decent amount out that you want, and then you're gonna chop it up. And I would say do it like this, like this, because it's gonna make it a little bit easier, and you're gonna have your pointed finger like this one, so that you're cutting it, really like dicing it up. Now that we have our diced up spinach, we are going to now crack and mix the eggs. So first, you're gonna wanna crack maybe 2 or 3 eggs, depending on how many eggs you like, but I'm gonna crack 3, just so you can get an idea of a thick omelet. Then when you crack your 3 eggs, you're not gonna want to mix them like this. You're gonna want to mix them like this, so they become flat. So basically just doing little circles. You're not even gonna do a scratch on there like that. You're just gonna end up fluffy and yellow. You're just whisking in tiny circles, And then when you see all yellow, no more of the clit, part of the egg, you're gonna add some cheese, whichever cheese you prefer, but I'm using white American cheese, which is basically yellow American cheese, it's just without the dye. You're gonna rip off this into tiny pieces until your entire thing of cheese, which is probably to a ratio of 3 eggs will be 2 slices of cheese, is into little pieces, and you're gonna mix it up. And while you're mixing it up, you're gonna want to add about 3 shakes of salt and 3 shakes of pepper. Then you're gonna whisk all of that up real good together, and we're gonna move on to the stove. Okay, guys, before we put the eggs into the pan, we're gonna mix that spinach. And one of the reasons why I like to add spinach personally is because it gives it that crunch. But you can do that with almost anything like kale and stuff like that. Okay, so usually I would use some organic butter, but then again, this omelet is not for me. This is for my sister. So I'm gonna be using regular butter, but you can use spray butter if you'd like. I'm just using this because I prefer to use regular butter instead of spray butter. And we're gonna put it into the pan. butter has dissolved in the pan, we're gonna now switch to a spatula and we're gonna add our eggs. We're gonna switch to a spatula and we're gonna add our eggs. And the reason we're switching to a spatula is because we do not want to scrape our pan, you know? You want to keep your pan in a nice condition while making an omelet. Now you don't have to turn the heat up so high. You can just put it on 4 or something. And yeah, you're just gonna wait until one side gets a little more cooked than the other. Then you're gonna flip that side, as you will see in a little bit. Okay guys, so right about now I would say is the right time to flip this side because it looks pretty cooked. Yeah, it does look pretty cooked, so we're gonna flip. Ooh, that was not a clean flip, let me tell you. Yeah, we're just gonna flip that with it. It's gonna form eventually, but this is basically the shape. And it looks pretty good so far. It's nice and cheesy. The eggs are cooking well on the bottom, as you can see. It's nice and brown over here. This side doesn't have it yet. And you want to make sure that it's not sticking to the pan. So yeah, we're going to let that like merge on to the egg that we just flipped it to. Jesus. Now I'm going to flip again. So maybe yours will be, if you make one. But yeah, you basically just want to let it cook. You can see that it's nice and brown all around. It's nice and cheesy. The cheesy spinach omelet, which is really nice. I could have added bacon, but I chose not to. You want it to be nice and brown. This is a meatless spinach omelet. May not look pretty, but it's not about the looks. It's about the taste. Now it's time to get my sister's reaction.
Good morning. I will be trying my little brother Calvin Robertson delicious scrumptious. Take a look. Yes, yes. It's called the egg omelet, and I will be giving him my final result and the truth about the omelet. Let's see. What did he do? Ooh, I like.
Nice and cheesy. Is it good?
This is what you call okay, soul food in the morning. Okay, this omelet is delicious. Okay, I'm gonna tell you something. He knows how to throw down in the kitchen. Okay. So if you ever wanted a beautiful, delicious omelet, the one to call on is Calvin